Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am privileged to show you a absolutely beautiful 1951 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup truck. Now, this truck is all original drivetrain. It is completely restored. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. Green truck. I know it looks really dark in the pictures and the videos, but it's dark green, very, very pretty green. Steel wheels with the Chevrolet hubcaps and the Coker wide white wall tires. Sun visor, wooden bedsides. This truck is beautiful, everybody. It runs great, it drives great. I just drove this truck down the road about 5 miles. It is a very, very nice pickup truck. There is photographs of this truck as it was being restored. As you can see, it speaks for itself. That red accent pinstripe around the center section of the cab there. And this is a 5-window pickup truck, which the 5 windows are so much neater than the 3 windows. I mean, I like the 3 windows too, but if I had my choice, it's gonna be a 5-window all day long. Inside of the bed, just like the outside, beautiful wood floor with the stainless slats. The chrome bumpers front and rear in very, very nice shape. They look excellent, in my opinion. The glass is very nice as well. Get you real close to that glass so you can see it. Might have a couple little bugs on it from me driving this thing, but sun visor, that sun visor and then wide white walls and the steel red wheels, it just sets this truck off, makes it just pops. Just such a beautiful pickup. The inside is just like you would expect, all original except for the seat belts, of course. The seat belts have been added. Dashboard, all the gauges seem to function like they're supposed to. Transmission shifts great. The headliner has been put in new. The door jambs are nice. Does have the heater right there. Straight 6-cylinder engine, 3-speed manual transmission. If you're looking for an old pickup like this, there's no need to look any further. This thing is gorgeous. Thrift Master. Them are 216 cubic inch engines. 216 or 235. I think it's 216 though. Somebody probably knows more about this all original stuff than I do, but I'm willing to learn if somebody wants to tell me. I'll fire this thing up for you. Turn signal, tail lights. It's been kind of a partly sunny, partly overcast day here in Iowa, eastern Iowa today. So I'm trying to get my pictures done while the video's done while I can. When that sun's out, it's really bright. And when the clouds come out, it's kind of dark. So if you're looking for one of these trucks, give us a call today, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory on a daily basis. So give us a call. If you have something to sell, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your vehicle. This truck does have one little scuff right here. You can see, must have got something close to the garage or something. One little scuff right there. And one little chip that's been touched up right here. Outside of that, I mean, it's really, really nice. It does have a little scratch right here. Couple little touch-up spots here and here. I'm just being really picky, guys. I try to walk around these vehicles and show you everything that I see. I would rate this truck very, very high. You know, but they all have something. I mean, they're not, none of them are perfect. It's got a little spot here that's been touched up. But that's what sets us apart from a lot of the other collector car dealerships is I walk around these vehicles, I show you what I see, and you know, that way you can make an educated decision, because probably 75% of our customers never come here to Canyon Classics to purchase their vehicles. They buy them solely on our videos, pictures, and descriptions of these vehicles. So that's why I try to be as thorough as I can. And sometimes I'm way too picky on a lot of these vehicles. There you can see the right turn signal working. Spare tire carrier, spare tires in there. The only thing I didn't see that I seen that didn't work on this truck was the horn. I blew the horn and it didn't blow. So the horn doesn't blow, neither does the driver. There we go. Speedometer works. See how nice the paint is, how shiny it is. There we go, guys and gals. 1951 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup truck. Beautiful restored pickup truck. The odometer says 33,241 miles. I have no reason to believe that those miles are not actual. I'm sure that they are, but you know, it is an old truck, so there's no way we can really prove that. So I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Canyon Classics. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. And I'll talk to you guys very soon.